I'm with Ella from Antobot, and here we are in a fruit farm with a new structure that's got acres and acres of strawberries. And you're here with robots. So why, firstly, do we need robots? The robots Anton has explained that, you know, they keep it clean, but they're sitting here in a workshop, but the structure's right down there. So tell us more. How did you get involved with all this?
Um, so we're a startup company. We've been going about 5, 6 years. And the purpose of these robots behind us, they're UVC robots. They emit UVC rays, and that kind of sterilizes and cleans the fruit almost. And it kills a fungus called powdery mildew, which farmers have a big problem with,
Yeah.
especially strawberry growers. Um, and it's a preventative treatment that just kind of means that you don't need to do anything else to the crops.
No chemicals, nothing.
No, just overnight, the robots will do their treatment. At Tiptree specifically, we do 3 treatments a week, so we run 6 nights a week. We split in half, and yeah, it just does it all for you.
I know you're smiling because it's clever. But you know, I just see a bit of kit here with, you know, I can see that the rays would come out of the units here. But does someone have to be here to set them off, or how does it work? Because they're sitting up here and the unit's down there. So
Yeah,
how do you do it?
yeah. At the minute, we have one robot operator for this field. One robot operator typically operates 3 robots at the minute. We're looking to scale that up. Um, you control them from your phone. We have a web UI, which is like a web page. And from there, you can send the job and let the robots do its thing. So it's best to have an operator just in case. But typically, the robots are great at just doing their own thing.
So at the moment, you do actually come up to set them off or not?
Yeah, we have an operator here.
Just for safety, really.
Yeah, just to make sure everything's running smoothly. We're still in development. Things aren't perfect, but normally they've got quite an easy job.
So I mean, they're all parked there, but how do you, where do, where do you put so they drive out and down there and then run up and down the rows?
Yeah.
It's as simple as that.
Yeah, and that's the treatment. They use like GPS navigation when outside of the tunnels, and then when inside the tunnels, because they're a metal structure, we use LiDAR navigation to see in between the rows and navigate that way without any GPS.
It just sounds too simple, doesn't it?
It does sound very simple.
But it's not.
No.
Well, I wish you lots of luck. And I think the development of robots, you know, when you look at fruit growing generally and farming generally, it's going to be an important part of the future of farming in Britain, isn't it?
Yeah, for certain. We're looking to help farmers in any way we can. They have it so hard nowadays. We want to make their lives a bit easier.